amazing YouTube channel. It's underscore Baraka 001 here. Guys, today, according to yesterday's video on my TV, for those who watched me out, yesterday I was supposed to go back to school, but I went there, and actually what happened, by the time I was going, there were others, my fellow students were being sent back home. So it was wise that if I gave out the check that I had, that's of the 5,000, and I'm supposed to pay 7,000, they could actually send me back. So it was wise for me to wait and go with others on a Monday, because when we'll be going on a Monday, they just feel that you have actually done what you are sent for, and you have doing something, so they allow you to be school. That's all why I did that. And I also talked to him, and I told him that I asked him to advise me, and he told me that could be better than going and being sent back. Then I don't have anything to go and provide for school. So for the time being, today I just decided to pay visit here for Gake 001 here. So guys, we are here at Gake 001. This is a village where he's building his dream house. You can see from that far end. I have also my friend. I've been camping with them. Here, this is another village far from the Bohansa village. So guys, we are here, and I'm actually going to help him on what is going to be done there. I have some workers that are going with the work there, and I've been accompanied with other my friends here. So guys, we have come here, want to help him doing the work. So guys, stay tuned. I will continue here. So here I have my friend. Maybe you can introduce yourself to my people.
Yes, guys. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are coming across this underscore Baraka channel.
Yes.
So we just visited Gake in this home.
Yes.
Yeah, we just came to help me.
You are helping you again. So you are Gake.
No, I'm not Gake. Actually, came to you know what I was thinking about.
Yeah.
I was thinking about this background.
Oh, the background looks very amazing. Very, very amazing.
Yeah,
you can see
the
view.
Yeah, the view, the environment itself, the nature.
Yeah.
It looks very, very well.
Yeah, sure.
So that's what I was thinking about.
Oh, so you thought you are
yeah,
visiting.
my mind was there, but I was speaking here.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, welcome back to It's underscore Baraka.
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Masari. We are actually going to upcoming going to see.
Yeah.
We just visited Gake here in this place. We just came to clear his environment.
Yeah.
Just last to make it look super amazing here. So you can see he's building a very, very huge mansion.
Yeah.
I can't even believe it. It looks super good. Yeah, so my name is Goid Masari, guys. You can check me out. Those are other subscribers. The Masari is A-A-S-A-R-E, Goid Masari.
Yeah. So guys, stay tuned as we are moving and see what is actually going to be done here for Gake 001, and we are actually, as youth, we are very proud of him, because he's doing a very, very amazing work, you know. So guys, you can see how amazing this place looks like. You can just see at the view. It's very, very amazing. It looks very demure. Just see at the view. It's very cool, you know. You know, even this place, if actually you had some investment, this place can be a very, very good football pitch or shamba.
Yeah, it can be a very good farm.
Yeah, a very good farm. By the way, you can see how it is big, you know, and it's not that much
it's not one.
Yeah, it's
there's somewhere where you can't plant something.
Yeah. You know, we have some other condition that other plants have condition for growing. For this place, I think it's very, very good. And it is not then congested. What? Yams? Yeah.
It's very good for yams to be planted.
Yeah, it's very. You can see, yams like somewhere that is water. You can see this place is very, very amazing. And I'm sure. Majina hivi kukuja huku, si ndio?
Lakini pako best.
Iko best. Unaangalia tu hata view venye kuko smart. So guys, we are here and we are trying to uproot this weed. No, the place is watery, so it's easy for uprooting. Masari, hizi unaachia nani yangu? Oh. Acha jamii. So guys, we are uprooting the weeds for at least the compound to be clean. Yeah.
Nachukua venye kama hivyo niko chafu. Alafu baada umemaliza kipindi unaambia hii ndio result yenyewe. Tumefanya kazi. Inakaa sawa. Yes.
Ungeweka hapo uanze kufanya video.
Naanza video yote ikiwa vibaya. Alafu watu wanajua hivyo wanaona kidogo. Alafu naanza nikipiga mbao. Alafu kama mtumishi anaosema ni ilikuwa
these are the weeds, guys. Trying to approve them so that I can leave the place very, very clean. Manyembe mboro kiria cha hanene sana. Ndiko nyori ni mere. Manyi dakika niri ngachikire. Dakika yenye. Koni chidekije kweri hano bene mboro kiri makiaga kweri. Atati bararose. So you want to make the place clean. Hata nikusaidia.
hivi kama ameachilia fulani. Najua kulikuwa pole straight.
Kenapa tunataka kuenda kusimamia? Sawa. upstairs, and we have just cleared the some. Maybe I can just go and finish the other part, then you can see what we so guys, there's been a very, very amazing work here. This is the staircase. Nisaidie yangu. Ile time ulinipa maana nadhani. Guys, you can see now the land is very, very, very clean. Before it was just look amazing. Have some of the weeds that we are removing. Here are some of them, and the other ones are there. And you can see how the house now is looking very, very clean, very demure. Before at first it was having weeds inside. So this is the house that Gake 001 is now under construction. This is the house for Gake, guys. Just look how amazing it is. And this is what now we call real life progress, guys. Really, really looking amazing. So we came with him and others so that you can help him for the work and see the motorbike that is there. So guys, people, this is the house. I don't know if it's a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. I have no idea because this is my first time visiting his project. Just look how amazing it is. You can see there's a cool view of some clouds here. The place looks very, very, very amazing and demure. So guys, this was actually the work of today. So we paid a visit and helped him with some work. You know, when we work as a group, we work as a teamwork, support each other. So we have done the work that we are supposed to do, and now we can just call it a day. And you can see the house is out of construction, and there's a real light. So people, thank you for being supportive. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing and liking and leaving positive comments. And God keep on blessing you. And for the returning subscribers, may you bless a lot. And now allow me to end my video at this point. We are here at Gake 001 project. This is the house for Gake. Thank you. Nice.